Welcome to this Switch Shop guide. So right here we have our first employee. Her name is Amy and she is doing a great job up here because she is doing all the stuff except the packaging. So Amy, show us around. Okay, so Amy is sleeping in this corner and she is doing good in this corner. So it's enough space for her. She has this little free space, and then she will start working efficiently in the morning by taking out the products of the large storage rack right here. So right here we have the extra long life soil, we have the Granddaddy purple seed, and we have some speed grow fertilizer. And on the left side we have a backup storage rack. Then she will take the products to the pots right here. So right now we have 3 growing tents. You can replace and throw them away if you just want to have the racks, or if you only have the grow tents, just use the grow tents. So we have right here the moisturing pots, we have the purple seeds, and we have the middle cost LED lights. She is going step by step through all these plants: harvest, plant, harvest, plant. I just have to take up the trash right here. I don't have any bin, and so this is my job in this area. I take this, put this on one spot, and then I will grab a bag from the hardware store and use the bag to pick up all the stuff again. So this is the process for me in this corner, and then she will put the finished grown product in this large storage rack. We bought only large storage racks because I think it's much more comfortable to work with 2 lines, 2x4 instead of 1x6. So we only have this one because it fits perfectly in this corner, but all the other racks are large storage racks. So she is putting in the products in this shelf, and then I will take the products out. Take a jar, and then I will go right here, click pack, and then I will go over and pack the products right here. I just have to get the products in the hole. Yeah, so you see the process. And then if you want to, I added the mixing station right here. So right now I don't use it, but if you want to use it, you can get the final product from this shelf, go over to this mixing station, get the mixing parts out of this large storage rack, and then you have the finished product to pack right here. So the cycle is like this, from right here to this area, and then you will go there, and then there, or you will go there, and then the final product is placed in this corner, or by Benji in his inventory to deal immediately. So this is our setup right now. I will show you real quick how you need to set up this on the employee. So Amy, the bed is right here in the corner. So in the last version you were able to place the bed in the other apartment, in the motel room. Right now it's not possible because they patched this thing out. So the bed is in the corner. Then you need to select the supplies. The supplies are right here as shown. So select the supplies, and then you just have to select the pots. As you can see, all 8 pots are right here, and then you need to select the seeds. So your favorite seeds, your product, and then the fertilizer. If you use a fertilizer, for example speed grow or some other stuff, and down here you have the large storage rack as the final destination. So this is the setup if you have the employee. Otherwise you can build this setup as well, but then you have to go in here one by one. I think you will not be able to manage 8 pods and dealing and providing some products for Benji, so I think it's necessary to have her as your best friend in this apartment.